Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this 6 pack of transparent plastic shelf dividers. So I'm going to use them real quick to just start organizing my bookshelf. So I'll show you. You can see I already have a couple down here dividing some sets of books. They fit really easy on the shelf. See, they have this really kind of flexible part back here that just nests the shelf into it. So just slide it in there and it fits really nicely on your shelf. And then I'm just going to grab my books and set them in here. And then slide that shut. So, it does a really good job at just helping me divide different like types of books. So those are craft books. So just whatever types of books or whatever I'm gonna put down there, and however I want to organize it, it makes it really easy to keep them separate. So really cool product.